A preamble. Solve the logarithmic equation for real values of x. Log to the base 3 of bracket open, log to the base 2 of x, bracket closed, equals 1. Yes, 8. Yes, that's right. A preamble. The magnitude of the electrostatic force two charges exert on each other is 5.4 nanonewtons when the charges are 2.0 meters apart. Determine the magnitude of the force when the charges are 2.5 meters apart.
3.5 nanonewtons.
That's correct. A preamble. Indicate whether the sporophyte or the gametophyte is the dominant form in the following group of plants. Algae. A preamble. Find the gradient at the point of inflection of the given curve. Y equals x cubed plus 6x squared plus 6x minus 5. Yes.
-6.
That's correct. Which stage of the life cycle of moth causes most damage to plants? Persec.
The larval stage.
That's correct. Three fair coins are rolled once. Find the probability that at least 2 heads appear. Persec.
1/2.
That's right. Which of these two cations will have a bigger atomic radius? Calcium 2 plus and magnesium. No, I thought 2. Yeah, Persec.
Calcium 2 plus.
That's correct. Find the magnitude of the resultant of a 9 Newton force and a 16 Newton force that make an angle of 60 degrees. You may leave your answer as a third. Chemu.
Please, we have the answer to be 500 and we have the answer to be root of 521 newtons.
No, it's not correct. Achimota.
Square root of 591.
No. Odogono.
Square root of 283 newtons.
No. Persec.
Square root of 481 newtons.
Repeat that.
Square root of 481
List that as numbers. Just say 1, 2, 3. What are you saying? What number are you saying? What's the first number of it?
4.
Okay, so it's 4.
81.
That's correct.
Keta, a sparingly soluble salt AB2, so AB subscript 2, has solubility product KSP 2.56 times 10 to the power negative 22 at 28 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility of the salt at 28 degrees Celsius.
4.00 times 10 to the power negative 8 mole per dm cube.
That is correct. Name the process by which water oozes out of the leaves of plants. Yes, Keta.
Guttation.
That is correct. Companion cells are part of, yes, Keta.
Phloem tissue.
Phloem is fine. A discrete molecule of the formula AX3, that is AX subscript 3, could have one of two possible geometries or shapes. What are these two shapes? Keta.
Okay, the shapes are trigonal planar and trigonal pyramidal.
That is correct. Calculate the volume in dm cubed that 15.0 grams of argon gas could occupy at 273 Kelvin and pressure 100 kilopascal, given that the molar volume of a gas at STP is 22.4 decimeters cubed. AR is 40.0. Keta,
8.40 dm cube.
that is correct. I am a collection of some basic statements. Relevant conclusions are drawn and predictions are made from these statements. Yes, Sogakope.
The kinetic theory of gases.
That is correct. I am a difference between two objects. I'm the difference between some given value and a fixed total value. For an acute angle, I am what will make it a right angle. Yes, Ogakope.
Complementary angle.
No, please. Keta.
Complement.
That is correct.
Classify the following types of fruits as simple, aggregate, or multiple fruits. Classify the following fruits as either simple, aggregate, or multiple. Archbishop Porter, apple.
Simple.
That's correct. Which group of algae has mannitol as the reserve food material? Yes, Takwa.
Brown algae.
That's correct. Press the direction of the vector A equals I minus J as a bearing. Express the direction of the vector A equals I minus J as a bearing. St. John's.
135 degrees.
That's correct. I am a biological process. I am used to describe the movement of seeds. Okay, St. John's. Go ahead, St. John's.
Ecdysis.
Come again.
Ecdysis.
No. Archbishop Porter.
Disperser.
That's correct. I am an isotope of a well-known element. I am produced in neutron capture reactions involving some light elements. Okay, Archbishop Porter.
Helium-3.
No. Unlike the other commonly encountered isotopes of that well-known element, I am radioactive. I decay into helium-3 by beta emission. St. John's.
Tritium.
That's correct. I am a type of chemical reaction. Many reactions involving saturated hydrocarbons bear my identity. In my type of reactions, a hydrogen atom is replaced in the hydrocarbon. Archbishop Porter.
Substitution reaction.
No. In my reaction types, chlorine reacts faster than bromine. In the presence of UV light or visible light, my reactions proceed according to free radical mechanism. Who am I? Okay, Takwa.
Elimination reaction.
No. St. John's.
Hydrogenation bromination reaction.
Come again. Repeat that answer.
Hydrogenation bromination reaction.
No.
Whilst intracellular enzymes break down large polymers into smaller chains of monomers, extracellular enzymes act on the end of the polymer to break its monomers one at a time. St. Peter's Senior High, where their activity occurs. Okay, St. Peter's.
So for intracellular
enzymes, they act inside or within cells. And for extracellular enzymes, they act outside the cell, normally around the cell.
That is correct. Find the equation of a straight line with x-intercept of -5 and y-intercept of 3. Yes, St. Peter's.
I have it to be 3s minus 5y is equal to -15.
That is correct. Find the general term of the sequence 19, 14, 9. Yes, St. Peter's.
So
Give your answer.
UN is equal to 24 minus 5n.
That is correct. Mention 2 of the 3 environmental factors that autotrophs need from the... Yes,
We have sunlight and carbon dioxide.
that is correct. Which organic molecule is the main energy source? Yes, Koforida Sektek.
Glucose.
That is not correct. St. Peter's.
ATP.
That is correct. How many carbons are present in the hydrocarbon 1,4-dimethyl icosane? Yes, St. Peter's.
22. 22.
That is correct. The origin of my name corresponds to a Latin word which means the one who draws, drains, or drinks. In botany and mycology, I am a root-like structure that grows into or around another structure to absorb water or nutrients. Yes, Scophoridia Sektek.
Hostoria.
And that is correct. I am a branch of mathematics. My building blocks are termed as the elements. I may be classified as Euclidean or Cartesian. Yes, St. Peter's.
Geometry.
That is correct.
Give the elements in period 3 from aluminium to argon in the increasing order of atomic number. Yes, go ahead.
Aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon.
You are right. Why are carnivores, such as lions, dependent on photosynthesis? Yes, Nkranza.
This is because they feed on animals which has gained their energy from plants, and also they respire, and the oxygen.
You're right. Find the zeros of the polynomial. F of x is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 9. Yes, Nkranza, go ahead.
We have the zeros to be positive root 3, negative root 3, and negative 3.
That's correct. If 3x is less than or equal to f of x, and f of x is less or equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 2, for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, find the limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. Yes, Nkranza.
We have it to be 3.
You're right. Last question. What information does atomic number give? Nkranza.
It indicates the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom.
You're right. In anatomy, I am a small structure, such as a fibril of nerve that resembles a root. In botany, I am the rudimentary shoot of a plant which supports the cotyledons in the seed. I am the first organ to appear when a seed germinates. Yes, Nkranza.
We have the radical.
That is right. The last riddle. We are a pair of lines in a plane. We appear to have no point in common. There is nothing meeting. Yes, Nkranza.
Parallel lines.
You are right.